France national team can win the World Cup, yes, the answer is yes. When you look at the talent that they have today, it's just amazing. It's just crazy. I mean, yes, we talk about Mbappé, who just joined the rest of the team, but have a look at each line. It's just, a very powerful, and I'm sure they can do something during the World Cup. It would depend on the group, would depend on many elements, but when you look at the talent, they almost won the Euro. So why not the World Cup, even if it's a bit more difficult and tough, because you have other nation inside the system. But I believe that they can do well. Deschamps has been having an extension of his contract also, so it gives him more weight in front of the player, especially when he is going to substitute them. They cannot say and try and bring problems, because he will be there after the World Cup. So at least you have to understand his vision and his philosophy of the game for this competition.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah.